My mother's living with Alzheimer's disease. I wanted to pass down those recipes that my sister and I have been living with for 40 years, well, for all of our lives, to our kids. So I thought, recreating a cookbook would have been the ideal way to do it. And then I just thought it would be an unbelievable gift for my mother. My mother gave me this 40 years ago. She hand wrote all of the recipes. So I converted it, and then on some of the pages, I recreated the index card. We did pictures. Alzheimer's disease impacts your short-term memory. Sometimes it impacts your long-term memory. And by having all of her recipes and the pictures of the people that she loved, and then I wrote stories about each recipe. She may not remember exactly what those stories were, but it's highly likely that she would, because the long-term memories stays strongly intact. It was a way of connecting her to her culinary talents, to her love of French culture and French food. Yeah. And it was a way to pass down these recipes to our children. And it's funny how I arrived at create my cookbook. First, I was just going to try to do it on my own using like one of these apps where you make photo albums. And then I just started doing some research and I came across Create My Cookbook. And I don't believe in accidents, so I think it was God's hand on this whole entire process that resulted in. The inspiration was this unbelievable gift that she gave to my sister and I 40 years ago. It was this folder with all these recipes, and it's had such meaning for my sister and I for 40 years. There's cards in there that are handwriting is faded and it's got splotches from different meals we've made across the years, and we've retained it. My son is 22, lives at the house here with my wife and I, but he's about to set out. I wanted him to have something. He made his first recipe from the cookbook, which was fantastic. I should have taken a picture of it. So that's the inspiration. I was inspired by the work that my mother put into this thing. She hand wrote 100 different index cards, 100 different recipes, split across two different these binders. I wanted to do the same thing for our kids. And I also wanted to give my mother, who's living with Alzheimer's disease, some memories that she could continually go back to and remind herself of who she was as a culinary artist. She started crying, and she started sobbing, and she was like, "Oh, Christopher, I'm having so many difficulties with my memory. Now, whenever I want to go back and I want to look at my history, I can just go to this cookbook and it's going to bring back all of these wonderful memories for me." It was my motivation for giving it to her. And as soon as she got it, she articulated.